Jen Cassell here. I am back doing a little promotion for the Design Space to Done Summit that I am participating in this week. So, starting tomorrow, it's the beginning of the summit. You've got us for 3 days. There are so many different fun crafters that are involved in this. This workshop is kind of geared more towards beginner level. But it's great for people who just want to brush up on your basic Cricut skills. So included with your free ticket, you're going to get 3 videos that you can watch anytime. So the first one's going to be unboxing your Cricut and setting it up. Your second one is going to be Cricut Design Space on a device. And then the next one is Cricut Design Space on a computer. So those will take you a complete walkthrough through Design Space. You can watch those anytime. It'll help you brush up on your lingo and you'll be able to follow the workshops a little better. And then starting Thursday, we're going to have a ton of different crafters doing mini workshops all day long. So let me tell you what classes they're going to be on Thursday. So Thursday you have print and cut stickers, window clings, journaling with pens, card decals, custom insert cards, cake toppers made easy, and then how to create a scalloped wall border. I am very interested in this workshop. I will definitely be staying tuned. Also, I've never made a window cling, so I'm probably going to be involved in that one as well. Friday, we have print and cut shrink plastic keychains. I am really interested in this. I tried shrink plastic a couple years back. It did not work and I never picked it back up again. So I'm going to take this class. Sublimation mug without a printer. Stencils from scratch. I have been wanting to make my own stencils for a while now. I can't wait for this class. We have shaped cards, custom canister labels, a custom tote bag, and pop-out cards. So when we were figuring this workshop out, we all signed up for a different aspect of Design Space. So you're really getting a full rundown of all of those little things that you may be familiar with, you may not be pro level yet. This will be a more involved process for each of these, and they're all Design Space based. So you're going to finish with a project. All right, and then on Saturday, this is the day that I'm participating in. We're gonna have cut our own stamps. How cool is that? I didn't even know you could make your own stamps with Cricut. So I'm definitely gonna be checking that one out. We have a paper banner. We've got a layered print and cut card. We have shaker gift tag, which is mine right here. And although we're making a shaker, this class is really about the font. So I'm gonna take you through uploading a font in Design Space, how to make it your own with the custom glyphs, how to do not just the paper layered, but I'm also going to show you how to use your markers with Design Space as well. And I'm going to show you a little trick for using all fonts, not just writing face fonts with your Cricut markers. So that'll be a fun one. We also have a 3D shaker box that day, and then we have a custom mug with infusible ink. So lots of fun different workshops, and there's quite a few that I'm definitely interested in because they're covering things that not even I have done as a pro. All right, so you got your free ticket. You can also upgrade. So today is the last day to VIP upgrade, and the most important thing about this is using it at your own pace. So I know with workshops like this, it can be overwhelming if you have several classes per day and you want to get the most out of your workshop. So getting that VIP upgrade, you'll have access to all of the classes and not just during the time that they're being aired. And there's also a lot of different VIP bonuses. There's a $25 gift card to the Crafty Blog Stalker shop, who is hosting the event. There's printable Cricut cheat sheets that could be a valuable investment. And there's freebies along the way. There's just a lot to do. I highly encourage you to go check them out. I am going to leave a link in the description box. Definitely take advantage of the VIP offer as it is ending today. That VIP offer, although it's still being offered, it does go up in price after today. So definitely check it out. And if you have questions, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Stop back. I am going to be releasing another tutorial tomorrow, so you won't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye.